Hi, welcome back. What can I get you started with today? I'm happy to hear that you love your foundation, but you want something a little different? Okay. Yes, the foundation I made you before, we made it for an event, right? So it was really full coverage. And what would you like to change this time? A little bit more sheer, thinking like a BB or a CC cream. I totally get it. I have a couple formulas for myself as well, and it all just depends on what we are looking for, right? There's days that I want the full coverage, and there's days that I just want the everyday wear, I have to run to the post office or to the grocery store or things like that. So I totally understand that. Okay, so I have your formula on hand. Just want to confirm some of the information for you, make sure everything's up to date, and then we will kind of highlight the differences and the changes that we need to make. Okay, so your name, any changes there? Not yet, okay. And just confirm your phone number for me. Okay, perfect, and your email is still perfect, great. Okay, so looking at your current formula, let's talk about some of the differences. Before you did not want any additional sunscreen in the custom blend, but this time we will add some custom blend in, we will add some sunscreen into your custom blend. So we will add that. We will make sure we add the Beauty Balm in. It'll be a little bit more of a sheer coverage. And natural finish still okay? Great. Have you developed any skin sensitivities? No? Still not great. Wonderful. How would you describe your skin? I have oily here. Okay. We'll make sure we have those botanical serums in there. Are you concerned with aging? No? Okay. And we will add a primer into this as well. And it'll be like a cream texture. Is that good? Wonderful. Alrighty. So let's get blending. I'm going to put your formula just down here on the desk. And I might refer to that throughout. Alright, so let's get started with some sunscreen. So how have you been? Good, I'm glad to hear it. That's really exciting. Okay. I think I need a new pump in this one. I'm gonna pour just a little bit. Okay. I don't like the sound that pump makes. And let's notate this for your new formula. Yes, to the Beauty Balm. Oh my goodness. I'm throwing things. And as you know, the Beauty Balm is a 5-in-1 treatment. So it's going to hydrate, protect, prime your skin. It also has even some retinol in it. It's just going to bring some life into your skin, and it's going to visibly increase your appearance. Is that the word that I'm looking for? You're going to see the difference with the Beauty Balm. Okay, so we added 10 milliliters of that. We will leave it natural. I am going to add in some coverage. Right. Make a note of that. And what color is that? Light. Okay. Awesome. Let's stir this up and see where we're at. Nice, very creamy. Okay. Now let's start to add our bases and our color. Just want to kind of measure these. Okay. See our measuring cup. We're at about 15 ml so far, 15 milliliters. So we're going to add 10 milliliters of our color bases, which according to your formula, you are a mix of ivory, porcelain, and beige. So starting with ivory, I'm going to add in a couple of pumps. Let me make sure the pump is clean. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do one more. About 3 milliliters of ivory. We'll add in 3 milliliters of beige. Now you know these are all mineral based, right? So that's why I like to give them a good shake before I put them into your formula, because mineral based, they do have a tendency to separate by the densities, which is a good thing. But I just want to make sure that we have a consistent formula that's coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lovely. So that's ivory, beige, and now we will do porcelain. They're talc-free, oil-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, animal cruelty-free, all the frees. I know you know all of this already. Just want to repeat it for you. Clean out that pump. One, two, three, 4, 5. Alrighty. And let's stir that up. This will be really good. It's going to treat your skin. It's just going to be packed with all sorts of good ingredients that are going to treat your skin and bring life into your skin, increase the appearance of your skin, help with fine lines and wrinkles, give you that coverage, right? Just a little bit of coverage. It's a good confidence boost, you know. You don't need a full face to then do some contour highlighting anything, but just this you can just put on and go, you know. All right, and for our toners, I know that we added some white in for you in your current formula, but based on the fact that the Beauty Balm and the sunscreen is already white, I don't think that we're going to need to lighten it much more. Maybe I'll just do 1 pump of white instead of the 4 pumps of white that we had. So 1 pump of white. Great. And we'll add in a yellow. That's not a good pump, is it? All right. And 2 pumps of pink. And a pump of purple. Beautiful. Let's blend those together. It's coming together really nicely. Are you so excited? I'm so excited. All right. We are going to add in our botanical serums now. We get to play with the blue vials. So looking at your formula, oily skin, so we'll use the oil control, 1/2 milliliter of that. Okay. We don't need anti-aging, so that's actually the only botanical serum that we're going to include today. And to finish off the BBCC cream, we want to make it sheer perfection. This is a great for oily skin. It's gonna treat it a good amount. Stuff is so soft. I love it. All right. This is looking beautiful. We're pretty much just at 30. Let's top it off with a little bit more. Sheer perfection. All right, and we are good to go. Let's get this bottled. Here we go. And you know that we have our personalized stickers, right? So this color is matched 4. Let me put your name in here. Alrighty. And let me make my final notes on your formula. Alrighty, and we'll add our whipping cream into this, and we'll be good to go. It's just going to thicken up the texture a little bit. Wow. Can you see that? So fluffy. It's awesome. All right, now let's get it into this bottle. There we go. Here is your BB cream. I will include the pump in your bag so that you can put that on when you go home. A nice, creamy, spongy, whipped up texture of the BB and CC cream that you wanted. So here you go. I know that you're going to enjoy it, but as always, feel free to contact me with any tweaks or anything like that. You're not going to hurt my feelings, I promise. I want to make sure that you are totally satisfied with the product that you have received. And if it is not perfect, then we have got to chat, because this is your perfect custom blend cosmetics for your everyday wear. So it's going to have some coverage, it's going to treat your skin. I know that you're going to love it. I can't wait to see pictures with you wearing it. You're going to have to share them with me, okay? Awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming in. Yeah, no problem. I'll see you next time.